G'day guys, we've seen what imperfect competition is and how it can arise. Now we want to start looking at how it actually affects the markets. So to do that, we first need to look at the differences between the various curves when we look at individual firms where there's perfect competition and where there's imperfect competition. To begin with, let's just look at the aggregate market. So we know that there is an upward sloping supply curve and a downward sloping demand curve. And if there is perfect competition, then we know that we should end up at market equilibrium here. But what happens when there's imperfect competition? To see what happens, we need to look at a smaller level at what happens to individual curves. So we'll begin with the perfectly competitive case. The supply curve is once again an upward sloping curve, and it should actually be equal to the marginal cost curve, because the reservation price that a firm holds at any given quantity should just be the marginal cost. So supply curve and marginal cost curve, one and the same when you're looking at the individual level. The demand curve, however, is perfectly elastic. It's this horizontal line here. And why is that the case? It's because in perfect competition, firms are price takers. They cannot choose the price. They have